How to change your birthday date on Snapchat app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your birthday date on Snapchat easily. So first thing you have to do is go to Snapchat. Now this is the home page as you can see right here. Or what you have to do is go to the top corner and click on your profile picture right here. Now go here and click on the top corner on this little icon, and now choose the third option, it's birthday. Click on birthday, and here you go. Now right here you can change your birthday easily and fast. And after you finish editing your birthday, click continue and click OK. Now it's changed successfully, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.